Hello, students. How are you? Nice to meet you. Let's see, today we are going to learn English Learner, Standard 9, Subject English 1.1 Walk a Little Slower. Friends, today we are going to see English workshop from this activity. Question number 1, read the poem aloud. Question, students, you should read this poem with rhythm at home. Question number 2. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. A. The child is talking to its father. B. The father is leading and the child is following. C. Someday the child will become a father. D. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. This question we have to find out and write pairs of rhyming words. Small, fall, see, me, be, me, true, you, like this. Now let's see the question number 3. Find the pairs of related words. For example, daddy, child, follow, lead, teacher, student, doctor, patient, give, take. Some more examples: come, go, husband, wife, read, write, time, money. Now let's move to the question number 4. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies what's the child want to understand his father's actions better. The child would like to act the same way, but wasn't the father more understanding. He wants the father more understanding towards the child's need. What is implied in the following lines? Line 1a. Sometimes your steps are fast. The child is so small to understand some of the actions of his father, so he wants to understand those action things thoroughly from his father under the guidance, but he did not go with the speed of his father, so says that your steps are fast. Then B. Sometimes your steps are hard to see. The father is doing many successful tasks in his life, some of them very difficult to understand for the child because the child is unknown to the world's many things look very difficult. C. I would want to lead just right. Today, when we follow his father, when he follow his father, he knows that his father is on the right path only, and this will lead his future on a right track, a right path, which he has learned from his father. D. And knows that I was true. Answer. The child is so sure about his future life, where he thinks that he will lead better and virtuous life because today he is learning many right and moral things from his father. It shows the belief of the child in his father. Question number 5. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that shows continuous action. For example, you are leading me. Are leading me shows the continuous action or incomplete action. Similar examples. I am learning English. You are watching TV. They will be coming by car. Question number 6. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that shows future action or state. Example. Who will want to follow me? Here will shows the future action. They will control the crowd. Anjali will get the admission. We will learn it thoroughly when I am all eaten up. So in the fourth sentence, here is I am is used, but it is a present auxiliary, so it is future tense. Now question number 7, discuss the following and write summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. सो बुलेट पॉईंट्स मीन्स हिअर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो की जे आपण डिस्कशन केलं त्या समरीमध्ये जे आपण ठराविक मुद्दे घेतो त्याला आपण बुलेट्स पॉईंट्स असं म्हणतो. हाऊ आर सर्टन आयडियाज custom knowledge passed on from one generation to the next. Young generations learn, copy many things from their parents or elders. They try to follow all those things in their life. Sometimes all these things become a part of life. Then the new generation tries to get it from their elders. And this cycle goes on. Okay, now question number 7b. Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? Answer. Sometimes it is really necessary to change old ways to make progress, because change is very necessary in life. Sometimes some outdated things cannot be accepted in the present future life. 8. Question number 8. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? Yes, my father is my role model. He has many good qualities like perseverance, hard work, fearless, humble, goal oriented, inspiring, supportive, and trustworthy. He is always supportive and source of inspiration for me. Question number 9. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision, actions of your family members, but realized later on that they were right. Answer. When a new laptop was brought, I was playing games on it. My parents told me not to waste time in it, but I didn't pay attention to them. I thought I will manage the studies easily. But on my school report day, I realized that my parents were right because I got less marks in it. Thank you, students. We have seen the workshop of 1.1 activity. If you like, please subscribe and also share my video and like my video. Thank you very much.